Oh, I love to work here. Enjoy working with the team, the managers, and the supervisors.
Everyone who shops here knows who he is. So he's the face, the heart of our store.
Kevin has a smile that's contagious. And in a place like New York City where folks are really on the go, having that face as you walk in and greeting you.
All right, good morning, welcome.
Customers love him.
Good morning, Katrina.
Hey, where can I find sunscreen?
Okay, I'll show you CVS brand.
Oh, this one is here. It's perfect.
It's the only place that I walk into a store and I can greet, and they greet and they greet me by name. Kevin.
Samuel.
It's the most caring store, especially for seniors. If you're looking for something, they go out of their way to get it for you. Smile, yes. He always does smile.
Kevin was a participant who started in the first ever mock store training program at the New York City Workforce Innovation and Talent Center.
They're able to learn about inventory prep and how to read a shelf label and how to interact with customers and co-workers.
Here you go.
This gives them time to be able to practice the skills needed to work in a retail setting.
Oftentimes in our society, people with disabilities are discounted. Our team is a solution. We work together with the community to provide people with disabilities with that opportunity towards employment that helps people get the skills they need to come to work for us.
He did phenomenal during those 8 weeks and really came out of his shell. And following that program, he applied right away, interviewed, and got hired in 2015. I would say that this program has changed Kevin's life in many different ways.
I like getting paid. When I get my paycheck, I save it for when my parents need my help, helping out with telephone bills and my rent. All doctor bills paid.
There are a lot of people that wouldn't give Kevin an opportunity, but here we do, and he excels at his job.
I love the Mets too. I've been an employee of the month 3 times already.
Kevin's coworkers love him.
There's a new items.
Yeah, we're getting more stuff in the store.
When you're working with someone like Kevin, who smiles every day, who's happy every day, who greets customers, that becomes the norm for everyone else.
He's a vital part of this store, and I don't know what we'd do without him, to be honest with you.
He's honestly one of the greatest employees that I've ever got a chance to work with. I love how Kevin brings his heart to work, and I love his smile.
Today is my excellent day.